I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. That's gonna be tricky. Got absolutely no visibility. Don't need visibility unless we can drive somewhere. I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me, and I kind of smelled this burning smell, and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. That's pretty sick. Oh, we're doing it. All right, man, thank you. Yep, thanks. Hey, you too. That pickup truck was a monster. If it wasn't for that, I would have been here for a long time.